Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss increment and decrement operator in C sharp. So let's get started. The increment operator, denoted by plus plus sign, increments its operand by 1. That means it increases its value by 1. The increment operator is supported in two forms. So if we place the operator symbol before the variable, it is called prefix form. So for example, if we write plus plus x, so that is the prefix form. And placing the operator symbol after the variable is called postfix form. For example, if we write x plus plus, that is the postfix form. So the statement x plus plus semicolon is equivalent to the statement x is equal to x plus 1. So that means it will increment the value of x by 1. So instead of writing x is equal to x plus 1, we write it as x plus plus. So this is the shorthand form. Similarly, the statement plus plus x semicolon is equivalent to the statement x is equal to x plus 1. So in summary, when you write x plus plus or plus plus x, it just increments the value of x by 1. But you might be thinking why there are two ways to write the same thing. Well, the way of writing x plus plus or plus plus x matters when these are used as an expression or used in an expression. In such cases, the value returned by x plus plus is the value of x before the increment takes place, and the value returned by plus plus x is the value of x after the increment takes place. Are you confused? Okay, let us try to understand it through a program when it will make more sense, and you will know when to use x plus plus or when to use plus plus x. So let me start Visual Studio. We will name this project as Increment Operator. In order to save some typing time, I'm just going to paste the code I've already written. So let me quickly run this program and I will explain each line of code with the output. The output is shown in the console window. So to start with, we have got a variable x of integer type whose value is 7. So I am just using x plus plus as it is. As we said earlier, the increment operator just increments the value by 1, so its value is 8. And obviously I can't use the same variable, so I have used a different variable. So if I declare another variable now, int y whose value is 7, and if I now use the prefix operator plus plus y, again print the value of y, it is 8 because it just increments it. But now let's use it in an expression. So here I have got a variable int a whose value is 7, and if I define another variable int result1, and result1 equal to a plus plus, and this time if I try to print the value of result1 which has used a plus plus as an expression. So this is an expression whose value is assigned to result 1. So this time the value printed is 7. So why it is 7 here? Because in this case, if we go back to our PowerPoint, the value returned by x plus plus is the value of x before the increment takes place. So here the value of a before the increment took place was 7. So that's what it has returned. But in the next case, if I declare another variable b with value 7 and assign the value of plus plus b to variable result 2, in this case the output printed is 8, because what has happened is value returned by plus plus x is the value of x after the increment has taken place. So it first of all incremented the value of b and then assigned it to result 2. So in this case we got the value as 8. Let's quickly go back to the PowerPoint where we discuss the decrement operator now. Similar to increment operator, there is a decrement operator denoted by minus minus sign. The decrement operator minus minus decrements its operand by 1. The decrement operator is also supported in 2 forms. Placing the operator before the variable is called prefix form, like minus minus x, and placing the operator after the variable is called the postfix form, which is x minus minus. The statement x minus minus is equivalent to the statement x is equal to x minus 1. Similarly, the statement minus minus x is equivalent to the statement x is equal to x minus 1. So when you write x minus minus or minus minus x, it just decrements the value of x by 1. Again, the way of writing matters when they are used as an expression or used in an expression. In such cases, the value returned by x minus minus is the value of x before the decrement takes place. The value returned by minus minus x is the value of x after the decrement takes place. So let us see another example program with the decrement operator. We will name this project as Decrement Operator. Again, I'm going to copy paste some code which I have already written. So let me just run this program and I will explain each line of code with the output. So in this case, in the beginning we have defined an int variable x with value 7. So if we say x minus minus on its own and try to print its value, the value is 6 because it has decremented its value by 1. So that's what it does. Similarly, I've declared another variable y because I can't declare another variable with the same name. So I have used another variable y, and if I use prefix form of the decrement operator minus minus, and the value output is 6. And let's use it as an expression here. If I assign value 7 to variable a and result 1 is assigned the value of this expression a minus minus, here the output should be 7 because the value returned by x minus minus is the value of x before the decrement takes place. So here the value of expression assigned to result 1 is before the decrement operation takes place. So value is 7, as is clear from the output. In the next example, we assign result to the value of expression minus minus b. Here the value assigned to the result is the value of b after the decrement takes place. So the value of B is decremented by 1, so it should be 6, and that is the output shown. So these were increment and decrement operators in C#. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.